unique weather event yesterday and just how quickly the
My
stuff
goodness.
passed through.
Yeah, you want to take a look at that? A little radar rewind. Say that fast 5 times. Well, you know what? It was a beautiful blue sky yesterday morning, and all of a sudden, those little puffy clouds started popping, and they popped into little tiny showers and thunderstorms. There you can see the lightning bolts there, scattered around as we expected. They would be into the afternoon hours. They actually became rather numerous in some areas during the afternoon. Very decorative, changeable, fascinating sky to look at throughout the afternoon as some of these lightning bolts happened and produced some hailstones. Most of the hail was just very small hail, but nevertheless, it was falling, and some brief gusts of wind, and that was about it. This last batch of showers came down over the Cape, so instability we were talking about yesterday morning that was going to affect the coastal plain as much as farther inland. Many times you get unstable air. A lot of the showers and storms happen inland, and not necessarily much of anything happens to the coast. But we knew yesterday that was going to be a different case. But today, none of that will happen. Today's high, Boston, so far is 68. The average high for this day, June 23rd, is 78. The record of 96 was set back in 1888. And currently in Boston, we find just a few height and wispy clouds, but mostly a clear sky. The temperature is 67. The dew point is a wonderful 48 degrees. When we get something like that in the summertime, it is really spectacular. The westerly wind is blowing at 12 miles an hour, and it will become rather brisk at times, like it did yesterday, from later this morning into at least the first part of the afternoon before it dies off. This is how the temperatures will respond in Boston, with essentially sunny weather all day long. Just a few height and wispy clouds, few of those cirrus streamers showing up, that's all. We got lower 50s and still in a few spots, opening up the shot. This is what it's like across the country. It's 83 in New Orleans right now. Oh my gosh. Meantime, this is what it is. You almost reverse the numbers, and you get 36 up there in Baker Lake. So it's some chilly places up in Canada, but we find up in Fairbanks, Alaska, right now it's 63, where they've had sunshine almost all night long in these long days. The sun hardly even goes down, and then it's back up again. These will be our highs today, 83 to 86 across the region. That includes the beaches as well. Is it just some residual chilly air in some of the areas of Colorado, but overall, it's a warm-looking, summery map. More severe weather out in the middle part of the nation today, but we don't have to worry about anything like that at all with high pressure in control. So here's what we have going on for us today is we have just a few filaments of high clouds. Temperatures go up to the middle 80s, 85 or so this afternoon. That includes the beaches. And then it starts cooling off tonight and goes back down to the low to middle 60s. Not quite as cool as it was last night. A few upper 50s in a few spots by dawn, but these will be lows tomorrow morning. And then it starts rising tomorrow. But look what happens to the wind direction. Comes on shore tomorrow, so along the coast in the afternoon, it's definitely on the cooler side. The temperatures mostly lower 70s, and by early tomorrow evenings in the upper 60s along the coast, while it continues inland tomorrow afternoon to be the low and middle 80s. So a couple of 85s, but the difference tomorrow is that along the coast, it'll be much cooler in the afternoon. Not 85 like it'll be today, but more like 71 at the beaches. And then it's the rainy day on Tuesday. Showers, probably a quarter to as much as a third or so of an inch. Not a huge amount of rain. And then more humid weather the second half of the week, with just a few widely scattered showers and storms. So we go up to 85 to 90 several of those days.